y'all, it's Mikey. Welcome to the farm. Boy, it's been busy around here, let me tell you. Got some fertilizer out in the second pasture that we're going to try to utilize this summer. Hopefully it'll give extra means to some eating area for the cows, because boy, they sure can eat a lot, and hopefully it will help with the expense of hay. Gets kind of expensive after a while, but we had to utilize hay more over the colder winter months while the grass was dormant. So anyway, right now I've got everything fed down here, getting some hay for the goats up the hill, fixing to take that to them, and fixing to spread out some grass seed in their pasture area. We put out some winter rye. It did okay, not too great this year, but anyway, just trying to put something out there for them this summer so they'll have something to eat as well. So yeah, it's been crazy busy. They're calling for some rain here tomorrow, so try to get this grass seed out before then, and hopefully we won't have any trouble with it coming up. Well, we got these babies all fed, got them some fresh hay. They're chowing down. Hey, Hazel, is that good? Is that good, girl? Yeah. So they're all set good up here, and as you can see, this is their pasture area up here. And that ryegrass, that winter rye, is starting to die off, and not leaving them too much to eat up here now. Y'all ready to put some grass seed out? Whew. Need some help down here. Pretty bad. We got to get these goats something to eat, y'all. So I was able to get a little bit of grass cut today. First time mowing this year, and getting some fertilizer out, and got some water on it, and hopefully looks like some rain clouds coming in. And I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Yeah, got some rain clouds, the wind's picking up, and hopefully it's not going to rain too much where it's just going to completely wash the seed away. I'm hoping that the rain will help get it down in the ground good and water it good, and the sun over the next couple of days after that will help make it sprout and grow up. We'll see. So if any of y'all would possibly have any suggestions, or just to let us know in the comments, what type of seed do you put out for your goats or your cows in your pasture areas? We would love to know. Our area where we're at in South Carolina, we're pretty central to the state, and we get some pretty hot summers here, y'all. It does get dry if we don't get enough rain, but anyway, we'd love to let y'all to let us know what y'all use in your pastures for your goats or your cows. Let us know in the comments, please. I'd appreciate it. I got my little handy dandy handheld spreader here, and that's what I'm going to be using for this field up here. And I apologize, y'all, I have absolutely no idea what grass seed this is. My husband went and picked it up several weeks ago, and all I can tell you is he told them what we needed it for, and what our climate was. Sunny, shady area. We're mostly sunny here. So anyway, and that's what he got, and cannot for the life of him remember what they told him it was. And so anyway, we're just gonna go with it. And
she just got through putting out some seed, grass seed. So we're gonna go over it with this old drag harrow here. This thing's like an antique that I think it'll do the job of what we want to do. Just kind of score the ground up and loosen the dirt up so the seeds will have something to germinate and grow in. So I'm gonna get this hooked up and we're gonna drag it behind the four-wheeler and just kind of drag it all over the pasture and loosen it up and see how it does.
While I was up here putting out grass seed, I noticed the ground is gotten a little bit hard, so hopefully this will help get the grass seed down in the dirt good before it rains tomorrow, and hopefully this will work, y'all.
Hopefully it'll work. The goats have walked all over with their little feet and compacted the soil really good, so it's getting it loosened up a little bit for hopefully to get the seeds to germinate.
I hope so. I feel sorry for them. They're eating the bare nubs of the winter rye. There's absolutely nothing left for them up here.
No.
So, all right. Hope and pray this works, y'all. Hope and pray this works. Looks like it's loosening the soil up some. Look at this. These poor babies. Literally. That is just, sorry. That's just pitiful. That's why y'all see me coming up here feeding these babies and making sure they have plenty of hay. So, got to make sure they have the proper nutrition. And this has been Shay came up here and had completely wiped this bad boy up here out. It was nothing but sand by the time he got finished with it. And we had put the winter rye out, and between Shay, Butter, Hazel, and Candy being up here when she was up here, they've just depleted it.
Well,
The goats have a pretty nice little field area up here if we could just figure out what to put up here that would grow good for them to last them all summer. Be nice to be able to find something that comes back every year. That would grow good in this field up here. Y'all can see it's just kind of sandy dirt. And it gets a lot of sun up here. Especially on this section. They got a couple of trees down on the other end down there that they can go to and get in a shady spot. And right now, with it being afternoon sun, they've got these trees right here on this side to help give them some shade in the afternoon. So, but during the day, midday sun, this side over here stays really sunny. And if y'all have any suggestions on what would be good or what you think would be good for this type of dirt with all the sun and it being dry, please let us know. Got us a nice steady rain, y'all.